The season 3 is the rainy season. It also has a special name, the southwest monsoon season. Before the rainy season, we had the summer season. During the summer season, the temperature in the interior continent of India was very high. Whenever the temperature increases, pressure decreases. So there is an area of low pressure created in the continent of India. Now, wind always blows from a region of high pressure to a region of low pressure. Where is the wind? The wind is over the Indian Ocean. Which wind? The monsoon wind. They are carrying moisture. And how are they attracted? To whom are they attracted? They are attracted to the low pressure caused by the high summer temperature in the Indian subcontinent, and they come towards India. Hence, the moisture, the winds have moisture, they are laden with moisture. They blow from the south from the Indian Ocean, southwest towards India. They bring rainfall to different parts of the country. 75% of rainfall is received in this season. There are two branches of the southwest monsoon. One, the Arabian Sea branch, another, the Bay of Bengal branch. The Arabian Sea branch strikes the Western Ghats and causes heavy rainfall to the western side of Western Ghats, whereas the eastern side of Western Ghats is the rain shadow region. So the clouds strike the Western Ghats, the hills of Western Ghats, and they bring rainfall. By the time they cross Western Ghats and come to the eastern side, they no longer carry moisture, and this region is called the rain shadow area, the area where there is no rainfall that's received. The Bay of Bengal branch, causes heavy rainfall when it strikes the hills of Meghalaya and Assam. So after it entered India, it comes and it strikes the hills of Meghalaya and Assam here. The heaviest rainfall occurs at Mawsynram, spelling Mawsynram. In Meghalaya, the rainfall decreases as it goes northwest. Next, the fourth season is the retreating monsoon season. When does it begin? In early October. Why? Due to the decrease of temperature. There is no more low pressure in the continent of India to attract the monsoon winds. So the low pressure area is gradually replaced by high pressure over the landmass. But there is still low pressure. Where is it? It is developed over Bay of Bengal here. As a result, the southwest monsoon has reached Assam, Meghalaya, the Himalayas, but there is no more low pressure. There is low pressure over Bay of Bengal. So now it starts retreating or turning back. So when it comes back, it blows this way. As a result, what happens? The southwest monsoon starts to retreat and it's blowing from northeast. From northeast part of India, it is blowing back. In the monsoon season, it was blowing from southwest. Now it's blowing from northeast. Hence, this season is also known as the northeast monsoon season. Very, very important give reason. It is a season of unsettled weather conditions. You all can notice in the month of December, there are a lot of cyclones that take place. How much of Indian rainfall is received during the season? 13%. What are the coasts that receive heavy rainfall here? The coast of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. Tropical cyclones frequently occur in Bay of Bengal during this season and they cause lot of damage in the east coast. Students, now we will learn about the distribution of rainfall in India. There are three main zones. We will first learn about the region where there is lowest or no rainfall. Second, we will learn about regions that have moderate rainfall. In the end, we shall learn about regions that have the highest rainfall. Areas with low rainfall. What is the definition of low rainfall? Less than 50 centimeter. What are the regions that are included? Open your maps. Yes, you are going to look at the map with me as I call out the regions. First, the regions are the Western Kutch, the Thar Desert, parts of Punjab and Haryana. There is the Zaskar Range, the northern part of Zaskar Range. And when we come to the south, the rain shadow area of the Western Ghats. Roili in Jaisalmer. This is a place in Jaisalmer called Roili. It receives the least amount of rainfall. Don't get confused with where is the least temperature. That was Dras and Kargil. This is lowest rainfall. Roili in Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. It is also the driest place in India. Now, let us learn about areas with medium rainfall. What is the definition? 50 to 100 centimeter of rainfall. It is a long belt extending from northern Punjab to Cape of Kanyakumari. It is broader in the north, narrower in the south. In peninsular India, it's between the Western and Eastern Ghats. Let's look at the map. Punjab, West Punjab, here. West Kanyakumari, here. There is the Western Ghats, the Eastern Ghats, the region in middle. Broad in the north, narrow in the south. Don't get confused. Areas with heavy rainfall. The definition, 100 to 250 centimeter. There are four separate belts. First, a narrow belt in the Western Ghats. A belt from Jammu Hills through Himachal Pradesh, the northern part of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. If you use a map, all of this is in order. Northeast India, where Mawsynram is located. You all also learn the spelling, the region with the highest rainfall. West coast and the western side of Western Ghats. This is how the map appears. It is important from the examination point of view as well. This brings us to the end of the chapter. Now let's do some question and answers. Question 1. Which factors influence the climate of India? What is the key I taught you all? Life with red mud. Location, water bodies, monsoon winds, relief features. Which are the important seasons of India? The winter season along with the months. The summer season, the rainy season, the retreating monsoon season. Explain the process of the southwest monsoon. So you all remember, right? The temperature was high because of summer. What developed? Low pressure area is developed over central India. On the other hand, there is high pressure. Where? Over the Indian Ocean. So the moisture laden winds always blow from high pressure to low pressure. So they blow from the southwest towards India. What percentage of rainfall is received in the season? 75%. The rainfall decreases towards the eastern slopes of Western Ghats. Why? Because it is the rain shadow region. Question 4. Explain the weather conditions in the summer season. First, we always talk about the sun's rays. The sun's rays fall vertically over the northern hemisphere, so the temperature is definitely going to be high. It is hot, dry and sultry. Where is the highest temperature recorded? Correct, it is Ganganagar in Rajasthan. Which rain is seen in this season? Convectional rainfall. What percentage of rain is received in the season? 10%. Next question. Question number 5 on page 109. Mention the areas with low rainfall in India. You all remember I made you all open the map and I discussed this. I mentioned, I'll give you all a hint. The first name, the western parts of Kutch, Thar Desert in Rajasthan, its adjoining areas like Punjab, the western Punjab, Haryana and Gujarat, north of Zaskar range and the western Ghats, only the rain shadow area. Royali in Jaisalmer of Rajasthan receives the least amount of rainfall and is also the driest place in India. Students, this brings us to the end of chapter 3, Indian climate. What is it that we learnt? At first, we learnt the very special name the climate of India had, the tropical monsoon climate. The 4 factors, L, M, W, R, factors that affect the Indian climate. The 4 seasons of India and their characteristics in detail, and then we learnt about the rainfall distribution in India with map. Yes, this is all that we learnt in Indian climate. I'm looking forward to you all practicing subjective questions, objective questions and reading the notes given. Prepare well, do well. See you all again soon with the next chapter.